Hi, it's Hardreset and today I'll show you how to split screen on Samsung Galaxy Book4. So I'll open some random apps just to show you. Now click and hold the very top of the app and put it where you want. You can split screen into 2 or into 4. As you can see, 2 or 4. So I'll just put it in the top right corner. Now select other app to be in the left corner and left top corner, and now left bottom corner. Or you can just split screen into 2 like this. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.